I think it's time to do a new video. Hi creators, and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you something that you might not even have thought of to use to capture leads. Now, if this is something that you need for your business, I don't know who doesn't need a lead, whether you're in real estate or you're running your own business, you're an entrepreneur, you're in fitness, you're a business coach. You want customers, and these customers are your leads. But how do you find them, especially online? Well, today I'm going to show you how to do that with this amazing software. You're going to want to see the whole thing. And I'm going to show you how you can get yourself a trial to start. So without further ado, let's begin. Today I'm going to show you this amazing software that I was introduced to. It's called Survey Sparrow. Now, I was asked to do this review, and I'm going to do a review for you. I don't do reviews for companies to help them out. I'm doing a review of a software that I think that you can use for yourself. Now, Survey Sparrow is, as they say, they do more than just surveys, because what you're going to get from their platform is going to do so much for your business. You're already able to see all the things that you're able to do, but today I'm going to focus on surveys. Why? Because that's how you're going to get your leads. Surveys are a good way to get people to start answering questions that, would be their issues, their pain points, that you would be putting content out there, or your ad would be related to that. And then the survey would be that next step in their journey where they're answering more pain point questions and then leading them to you, where you would be that solution at the end of the survey. So today, because I want to show you how to use surveys, I'm showing you how to do it with Survey Sparrow. And this is because, one, you get the trial, so you can start out for free. Two, it's very easy to do. It comes with templates. And we're going to go right into all these things that Survey Sparrow is going to give to you, even starting off fresh. So let's go in. I already have signed up, but when you're going to start, you're going to want to come over here to sign up. You're going to put in an email, and that's going to give you access to the trial. So now I'm already signed in. To start, you're going to come over here to New Survey and hit it. And from the start, you're given some options. Now you have one, the classic survey. And this is, I love how over here on the right, they show you exactly what's going to look like. I like the flow, the animation that you're going to get. And this is what we're going to focus on. Let's click on classic survey, and you're going to see you have two options. You can either start blank or browse with the classic templates. Now, you know me, if you watch any of my videos, I love templates. So I'm going to start there. So let's go. So when you come in, you're able to see some survey template options. Over here on your left, you'll see the different ways you can use them. And, if it's for your business, they have a big focus on employees, if that's what you're looking for marketing, which is what we would focus on. So it's pretty awesome that immediately when hitting marketing survey templates, you come in and you see there's a lead generation survey that you can model off. Now we're going to work with a template, and remember, I'm not here to build, a survey to give to you. It's for you to see how you can do this for yourself, right? So I'm going to show you how to use the template, some of the features, and then you can go ahead and start making your lead generation survey today. So let's click on that. So we would choose a template, or you could start blank, but we already decided that we're going to do it. I'm going to leave this as is, so you're able to give your survey a title. We're going with the classic form, general. We're going to leave it at that and hit next. So over here on your left, with a lot of these dashboards, it seems like everything is always that kind of flow. You're able to see all your design and sharing and general settings. So up here, build, which is where we are, you're able to start with the questions that are already here. And you can go in and edit as you feel. So I'm able to leave this question here. Howdy, what shall we call you? Maybe I want to change howdy. I can just click on there, take it out. I could leave it in to say, what shall we call you? I'm just showing you how you can add and delete things. You can add a description to your question so people can know what this question is going to be about. And then you can have a single line, multiple lines, and logic. So you can say if something happens, then this action should occur. This can get really technical and it's a bit advanced, And if you want to get down into this, I might have to create a course for you. But for those who know what it is, you do have display logic and skip logic available. So one of the key things you might notice is that you have to, you can decide whether this question is required or not. So you can say like, this person is either able to not move on if they haven't answered this question. And if you're trying to collect leads, you're looking to make sure that like name, phone number, email, contact info is left in. You may, depending on your business, need to know certain things for like real estate agents. It would be how much you want to spend on a house. Do you already have a realtor? If you're a business coach, you're looking to see if that person wants coaching or wants you to reach out to them. These could be questions that you must require them to answer to continue. So whether or not you want to, you can decide here. Next, you're able to play around with the design, and that's big for me. I'm big about being custom and using certain colors. So here you're able to make changes. For example, if I hit the button, you're able to change the color just by dragging and pulling and playing around and seeing what you're able to get. So again, you remember your brand, remember you have a certain color that you're working with. You can customize this to look how you want to match your brand as much as possible, which is great. If we come over here to themes, let's save our changes. Why not? You're able to change the whole layout if you want to. Maybe you don't like the color. Maybe you want it to be, more like this. I don't know. I'm just showing you all the things that you can do as usual. So you can choose one of these templates if you like. You can change your theme right here. So just looking here, you're able to just decide what you want. You can have a progress bar. So it's that bar that kind of showing you right up the top or at the bottom, how far that person is in the survey. If you want to change the font, you're able to do so. And of course, you can go advanced if you want to, but I tend to leave, the advanced things, the advanced people, but at least you know that you have that option to do so. So if we go back to the original thing, if you wanted to just make adjustments to the questions that are already in a template, you're able to just click on there. As I said, change the text if you want. Here is an example of like a little message that they put. This is big, people don't want spam. Make that clear. You can add logic if you need, make this question required, and then that's it. If you have questions that, completely new, you don't want to edit anything, you're able to add new question. And this is where you start to see all the options that Survey Sparrow gives to you. And there are so many. You can see them all here. One of the big ones you might be used to, multiple choice. So you're able to, write the question and then give different answers. So then you're able to create different kinds of questions in different ways. There's no real limit to what you can accomplish here. If we go back to add new, multiple choice rating questions, text, just simple text, email. So for example, this email question type is designed to collect email addresses. So that's exactly what this question is going to do for you. That's it. That person will know that they should put their email in. It's already in the software. So really decide what you're trying to achieve here with your questions, what you're trying to ask. So my advice to you would be, have your questions probably before even coming into the software, knowing the type of questions that you're going to have. And then going in, you'll be able to see, okay, this is how I want it to be laid out. And then choose one of the options Survey Sparrow has given to you. So when you're done, let's just remove all the things that I've been playing around with. Delete. When you hit integrate, you're able to see all the different ways that you can use your survey. Now, I view surveys in Facebook, so it's great that a Facebook pixel can work with the survey. MailChimp, of course, if you're doing email marketing, you might want to use it together. So you're using it to manage your subscribers and collect leads. So it goes directly there if you want to, and that's great. There's also other things you can do. I won't focus on that, but man, when you really look at what you're able to do with this software, you should really think, hey, I can really get my survey where I want it and use it with my other integration. So hopefully what you need to use it with is here. And that's great. Let's look at share. Now, there are different ways that you can use your survey. As I've been saying, you can send it through email. create a URL. So this URL can be shared, like for instance, in your ads, and then you'll be able to just be like, hey, try this quick thing, or do this quick survey. And then that person is just able to just click on it, and it carries them right to the survey, like on its own landing page. So that's really cool. You can share it on social, embed it on your website, so it just shows on one of your pages. People scrolling through, they're able to do a survey. This is great too, aside from getting leads for like market research. And market research can lead to leads too. You never know. It's how you set up your survey. So really look at all the options that you have in terms of sharing. And you can definitely find one of these ways to share it. And then when you hit results, because obviously nothing is here, we haven't showed anything, but you're able to create reports and see what happened, how people reacted to your survey, see how certain people responded, see your leads. And of course, this is something that's going to be the final thing to help you determine if your survey was successful. When you're done with your survey and you're happy with it, before you publish, always hit preview. We're able to see exactly what it's going to look like. And let's pretend we're doing it. Let's put my name in, hit next. And what I like is that you have this. Remember, we said like you kind of show progress so people can see how far they are in the survey. There's certain things that I said that you must have. Let's just put m@gmail for my email. You can try this email, but I don't think it's gonna work. So don't email this person. And so as you see, you go through the flow, and we're seeing that email is working. It's a beautiful layout, even with it being free. Beautiful layout, a beautiful flow. And I really just like how everything just looks so professional, and it wasn't hard to do. Really, that's it. This is a great software if you're looking to use surveys to collect leads, or if you're just looking for surveys to use in your business. So definitely give it a try. Hey, that's my thought. That's that this is one cool way to get leads for your business. And if this is something that you want to do, definitely try Survey Sparrow. So if you liked what you saw, I really hope that you will subscribe. It goes a far way in motivating me to make more videos just like this for you, helping you to grow your business through marketing and content creation. And of course, I never end without saying, thanks for watching.